Good morning and welcome to Needlecraft Corner. It's June 1st and it's the beginning of our 44th year here at Needlecraft Corner. We are excited today because we have a brand new website. We'd love to have you visit, which is needlecraft-corner.com. We also have a trunk show here from Atomic Ranch. We also have a sale going on with 30% off of various threads. And we also have an Halloween box that we're going to introduce to you for sale. And so we're going to take you on a little tour of the shop as we go along. As you can see here, we have a trunk show from Dr. Mike, who is Atomic Ranch. I'm really excited because I've never had a fabric trunk show before. And we are also getting ready to do an All Stars 2 Fabric of the Month featuring 8 of his colors along with Picture This Plus and Fiber on a Whim. So we'll get more to that in a minute. But he has brought me fabrics from 14 count all the way up to 46 count. And in many, many, many beautiful, beautiful colors. They are Luganas, linens. We have a little of everything. I also wanted to let you know that we are working on presenting you a new Seraphim Club. We have one currently in progress, which ends in September. So we're going to be doing photos for you for the one that opens up in October. The sign-up period will be from July through August because we have to give the designer, the dyer, time to get the fabrics ready. And space is limited, and we'll have all the information on our new website, and we'll roll out a video also of the fabrics. I would love to have you visit us for the month of June, especially because of, as I said, our anniversary sale, and to see this trunk show from Atomic Ranch. And we also have a preview on our website. Look for Halloween box, and it has a description of what we're putting in this box. And yes, it is a mystery box, and it sells for $250, and it will be very limited. We would love to have you visit our new website, especially because we now have a shopping cart, which I'm so excited about. The website again is needlecraft-corner.com, and you can reach me, Dreama, at needlecraft-corner.com. I'd love to have you visit. Bye-bye.